Ionic is supported on a variety of desktop platforms. In this lesson, I'm going to focus on Windows. I'll show you how to install the tools that I use and get the basics up and running as quickly as possible. We'll want to ensure you have all the command line and build tools installed before you write any code. So that's what we'll take care of here. Ionic makes heavy use of Node.js, a JavaScript-based runtime environment. You'll need Git and its related build tools. And of course, you'll also need Ionic. Installing these items is pretty straightforward. You should be able to follow right along. On Windows, if you don't already have Node, I recommend heading over to nodejs.org. When you get there, click the big green button to download the latest LTS or long-term support version. For me at this time, that version is 12.16.1, but it may be different from you, which is fine. Once it's downloaded, you should be able to install it, accepting all the defaults. Next up is Git. We won't be doing a lot with Git, at least not right away, but Ionic uses it, so you should have it. Head over to git-scm.com. Look for the download button and click it. Once downloaded, just like with Node, you should be able to accept the defaults. Once you've installed Git and Node, you have a choice to make. During this course, we will occasionally make use of the command line. Git installed a version of the popular Linux bash shell called Git Bash. You can also use the normal Windows command prompt or Windows PowerShell. Use whichever you feel most comfortable with. I promise I'll try not to use any commands that are unique to any one of them. Using your preferred command shell, enter the node command with the -- version switch, and the git command also with the -- version switch. You should see something similar to what I'm showing here. If not, then something went wrong and you'll need to try the installers again. And really that's all there is to it. At this point you should have all of these tools installed and available. Next up, we'll install Ionic and create our very first application.